creating more visible offers, and ultimately making more money. So make sure you subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Alright, what's going on, guys? Today was the first day that I've ever felt this burnout in my entire life. I had my event. Second day I tried selling like 3-tier packages, and I got one person to buy, which is pretty cool. It's my first time ever live selling, like on a stage. And it was interesting because I'm always evolving, I'm always learning new things, I'm always trying new things, and always trying to figure stuff out. And I'm just really, really tired. It's been a long 2 days. I had an awesome event, got so much content, got to really bring a lot of value to agency owners and business owners, and honestly, I just couldn't thank you all enough. It's been an insane journey, honestly. And I'm going to continue to bring you guys value. So 1 for 9 is not terrible. I converted 1 person out of 9. Two people were on the fence. I could not get them to budge. It's always a learning curve, right? You know, I perfected lead acquisition for so long, phone sales for so long, and now I have to perfect in-person sales, because in-person is a lot different. Being able to have that body posture, you know, that emotional intelligence to know how the person is standing, their stature, their posture, their body language, if they're peeking away from me. Like, there's just so many things that I have to learn, and I have the humility to say that I have not figured it out yet. You know, we do very well in our agency, but I'm trying to do these in-person events to start developing more cash flow, start getting more high-quality people, and that you can start impacting more people's lives. And the best way that's going to happen is through learning new skill sets. But yeah, I'm very aggressive at sales, and I think it went well. So to really wrap up, this is my first clip in week 5. And, you know, I just got the new business manager for the hair oil, but it's restricted. So I got to get that fixed. But it's not hard. It's just an inactivity restriction, so it's not hard to fix. But it's all good, you know. It's all part of the game. We haven't really made that many sales. I've been making some money organically, about $300 a day organically, which is like really, really good, you know. Also, you know, one of my friends who did a review, he was a doctor, and he did a testimonial, and we have to take it off now because people were calling his hospital asking him if the product was legitimate, which he has been using. So, yeah, so now we got to take that off. Got to add some more testimonials to the Pagefly page, Zipify page, homepage. And all right, what's going on, guys? It is day 29. No, it's 30 actually. My fault. It's day 30. We're in the office right now. I'm actually just packing up all my stuff. I have my Xbox here. I'm packing up all this stuff because we are moving tomorrow to Orlando. And these are the packages that we tried selling yesterday, which I really think were amazing packages. One person took the first one. So it's just a little interesting how, you know, we weren't able to sell more than one. Maybe that's my fault, whatever the case may be. But at the same time, it's okay. So just getting a bunch of stuff together right now. Had Happy Dad. I was playing some Skyrim. Got a second Happy Dad here. Just kind of having a day to myself because it's Saturday. I'm not trying to do any, you know, client work or anything like that. I have a team for that. So just focusing on having some time by myself. I'm just exhausted over the last 2 days I had the event. So it's not I'm fucking lazy. It's that I'm just spending time on my own. Like, one thing my mentor Greg Berry always taught me was that the times that you spend alone thinking are the times where you come up with your best ideas. So I'm just going to sit here and think. And I'm about to go meet up with Haley because she went to her storage unit to grab some stuff. So as far as organic sales, we are making at least $500 a day organically on autopilot. So $15,000 a month business organically right now. Just because my ads are still off. I got to get with Hagen today and try to get that back. But I know this might not be the most insane vlogs because there's not like those $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 days that you guys are used to. But
this is what happens when you're building a brand. A lot of shit happens. So I wanted to just be transparent. Like we're making, we had an order today for $225. These are all organic sales, by the way. So I think I'm going to be hiring an SEO agency to start taking on my e-com SEO and start boosting up these rankings, get some more organic traffic. Because if I can make $1,000 a day organically, I'm chilling. So I will keep you guys posted on that, but I will see you guys later on. Peace. All right, what's going on, guys? Day 32. We are officially moved into our new apartment here in Orlando. I'm actually over there in the corner working. I wasn't able to make a video yesterday. We were so busy moving and everything. It was honestly just a shit show. So, I'm getting the ad account back up and running right now. I'm trying to at Hagen. Things are going okay. Also got an Elgato for streaming and whatnot because I want to really dive into like personal hobby stuff. Chloe is here. Chloe girl. What you doing? She's got her bone, but there's just been a lot of challenges. Still got the Instagram account banned. Shit is just not really crazy good right now. And then some clients left us this week for some stupid reason. Like, just really not like smart decision making, that's all. So got to deal with that, but that's the name of the game. But we still have a good client base. YouTube's going well. The posts are consistent. Everything's going well on here. So I'm happy about that. I got a lot of value coming out. But I'm really just working right now on getting this ad account back up and going because I need to be able to run my ads. So right now we're working inside the BM and stuff. But I appreciate you guys, really sticking around here. It's been fucking stressful. So, yeah. But now we're in Orlando. So we're going to a comedian improv Wednesday night. I love improv. So me and Haley, we go there a lot. So I appreciate you guys watching all the vids. I know this has been really stale with these videos, kind of updating you guys on the account ban, getting back up and running, etc. But this is the name of the game now. So appreciate you guys, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Peace. Hopefully my ads are back up. Let's go. All right, so it's day 33. We are outside Starbucks, and I still don't have my IG back. Didn't get any update yet from Fez. We're about to order some Forbes and entrepreneur articles, so that's cool. Once my IG's back, I'm gonna get verified. Last night I stayed up late. You guys saw that clip. Me and Hagen were not able to get the Amex card to verify, which is upsetting. So we're waiting for Facebook support to get back to us, which is always a fun game. I just don't understand why this is like so infuriating to me. It's also just the fact that when you put a ticket in, like you can escalate it, but at the same time, if you don't escalate it, then you have to wait for them to just get back to you. So that's just the name of the game. But once we get back up, we should be good. I bought a new domain. I did all the X, Y, and Z compliance stuff. But yeah, today I'm going to be working on Daniel, his funnel, who bought at my event. So I'm going to be working on some of that stuff. I might show you guys a little bit of stuff there. Probably not because, it's a high ticket product. So I don't want to like show anything that I'm doing with other people, just to respect them. So I'll just show like maybe a quick glimpse, but nothing explaining anything. But yeah, I appreciate you guys a lot. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip. All right, guys, it's day 34. We still don't have the ad account. Okay, I know that's kind of discouraging. This whole week has just been discouraging, honestly. My IG's still down too. So, I mean, if we look here, right, we go over the last week. Let's go 20th to the 27th. We've had some decent days. We had some good organic days, $540, $469, $619, $680, and then like $185, $186, $186, $96. We've had decent days, but today we're $96. It's like we're making money organically. Like it's cool. It's profitable. This last week, like the profit's over $1,000 easily. So that's fine. But it's just, dude, I'm trying to get the ad account back up. But the only problem is that they still haven't verified the card. I talked about this 2 days ago, but they just didn't verify the card yet. So now I got to wait for that. I tried using PayPal, didn't work either. we are just dealing with obstacles right now, like fucking ridiculous. So I don't know, guys. I hate to bore you guys, but this is just the transparency of this challenge. Some days, or maybe a week or two, will be shit like this. I hope that this is the last week that we have this kind of issue, because tomorrow is the last day of the week that we record for this video. So I hope I have something good to share with you later on today or tomorrow, but I will keep you guys posted. I appreciate you guys so much sticking with me through this boreness, but hope this doesn't kill the series, but it's all good, man. I'm trying to show everybody the transparency of what the fuck's going on. Like, this is just how it is. So thanks again, and I'll see you guys maybe in a little bit with some good news. So yeah. All right, what's going on today, guys? It is day 35, and we are here in Orlando at my old church. Okay, would always come here a lot, just to like kind of ground myself, reset. I'm telling you guys right now, like, this has probably been the most stressful 10 days of my life, the past 10 days. You got to find that thing that like keeps you grounded. And the thing that keeps you grounded is like just always trying to be yourself, always, doing the things that you've normally done, but also going back to your roots. I used to come here every single day when I lived in Orlando, every single day. Now I actually officially live here again because I used to live in Orlando. So I went from New York to Orlando to Tampa to Daytona Beach, now back to Orlando. And I always loved living here. I like living here. It's fun. There's a lot more stuff to do here. But I always make sure that I keep myself grounded. And I'm going to show you guys in a little bit one part that I always went to. And I used to just go there and just ask for things, right? It's okay to ask for things from the universe, but also by doing good as well. So I just really wanted to keep that balance in my life. And I've just been going through a lot recently. So I'm just like, you know what? Let's go give thanks and have some gratitude. I know this might be corny for some of you. A lot of you are looking for the Shopify hacks and the funnels, but life is not only about ads and making money and doing this challenge. There's a lot more that I want to bring to the table during this challenge. So thank you guys. And yes, I do sneeze. No, I don't have COVID, but yeah, I appreciate you guys a lot, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. And I'm probably going to close out day 35 of this. I haven't heard back from Facebook yet about the payment verifications, so we're just going to enjoy life today. So I will see you guys in a little bit. Peace. All right, this is the statue that I always used to go to when I lived in Orlando. I would come here and just do my gratitude check. If I was ever lost, I would always ask for forgiveness and ask about a path and for someone to follow me along it, and etc. I know this stuff might be a little weird for you guys or corny. You can skip the video, but to me this means a lot. It's about grounding yourself. Like, have a clear head going into stuff every single day. You know, when I came to this statue every single morning, like literally not kidding, every single morning, I just was a lot more grounded. I had a better outlook on the day, and I was just more proud of myself and more, I guess you could say happier. Just more centralized. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. I know it wasn't much. I'm trying to get everything back up and running right now. I'm hoping by the weekend. I want to launch ads by Saturday, Sunday. So thanks again, and I'll see you guys in next week's video.